Okay, so had a ESP fault show up on my Vito. It's a W639 2008. I'm sure different years will have slightly different options, but this one's on mine. It comes up with an ESP light. Turn the ignition on, turn the engine on, and it's still got the ESP light running. Good way to test this, to see if it is the switch, is to turn the ignition off, put your foot on the brake pedal, turn the ignition on, and no ESP light. Take your foot off and the ESP light comes on. It's a good indication that it is the switch. I have plugged this into diagnostic kit. I've got a Delphi based diagnostic kit that does say it is the brake switch that's the fault. So that's what we're going to change today. This is the brake light switch I've bought. Got this one from Euro Car Parts today because it was the only place open on a bank holiday. I would suggest getting it from Mercedes dealer. They are just as cheap and you're likely to get a better fit and a genuine part. So the part itself is this one here. Pretty standard brake switch, and I'm going to show you how to fit it. Underneath the steering wheel, get right down, look underneath, there's a fastener there, and a fastener just there. It's a T20 type star or Torx bit, and one of those. Focus, you fuck. There we go. And just need to undo. This one. And this one. On the back of the panel, you've got two little hinge bits, one there and one on the other side. Don't really need to unclip those. If you're finding difficulty getting to them, unclip them, but that folds down, and that will fold down enough to get you into where you need to be, which is that switch just there. What you're going to need to do to get that out, it's the new one, that's the way it's placed in. You press on this button here and then twist it clockwise about a quarter of a turn and that'll come out. Let's see if I can do that now. I'm not sure how much space I've got in here. There we go, simple as that. Push the little white pin in and unclip it. I've got the new one plugged in. Again, I don't know how much you're going to see of this. You push the brake pedal down a little bit, give you some access. Push it in. Quarter of a turn and it's in. That's nicely sat in place. Right, just going to test it. Ignition on, wait for the lights to go out, and there we go. The ESP fault cleared, brake switch.